We are looking at how to pronounce these two verbs. They do look very similar, but they have a very different meaning. So the top word comes from the verb to hope, having expectations, to wish for something to happen. Hoping is how it's said, so 1p is hoping. The bottom verb comes from the verb to hop, meaning to jump like a rabbit or a kangaroo. So the bottom word is said as hopping, 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 or hoping. So you have a h sound for the bottom verb and a o sound for the top word. Hoping, top word 1p, hopping, bottom word. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching.